Today, I'll show you how to connect Webflow with Zapier. If you're looking to automate your workflows and enhance your website's capabilities, this tutorial is just what you need. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll have your Webflow site seamlessly integrated with Zapier, opening up a world of possibilities for automation and task management. First, let's start by heading over to Webflow's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in webflow.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. This is your gateway to accessing all the sites you've created or are managing. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the All Sites section. You can usually find this option in the main dashboard area. Clicking on All Sites will display a list of all the projects associated with your account. This is where you can select the specific site you want to connect with Zapier. Once you've identified the site you want to work with, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the site's specific dashboard where you can manage its settings and integrations. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu with various options. From here, you will want to select Apps. Clicking on Apps will open a new page dedicated to managing the applications and integrations connected to your site. In the Apps section, there's a handy search bar that allows you to quickly locate specific apps. In this case, to type Zapier into the search bar. As you type, relevant results will start to appear. Look for the Zapier app in the search results. Once you find it, simply click on it to proceed. After selecting Zapier, you'll see an option to install it on your site. This step is crucial as it allows Zapier to communicate with your Webflow project, enabling all the automation features you want to set up. Click on Install on Site and follow any additional prompts that may appear to complete the installation process. Once the installation is successful, congratulations. You've now connected Webflow with Zapier. This integration opens up endless opportunities for automating various tasks, such as syncing data across platforms, sending notifications, or even updating spreadsheets automatically. With Zapier, you can create custom workflows, known as Zaps, to streamline your processes and save valuable time. As a tip, take some time to explore the different Zaps available or consider creating your own to tailor the automation to your specific needs. Zapier's user-friendly interface makes it easy to set up these workflows without any coding knowledge. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to connecting Webflow with Zapier. This integration is a powerful tool for anyone looking to enhance their website's functionality and efficiency. Thanks for watching and happy automating.